YouTube, it's me Tawana, coming on here today to show you guys how to make your YouTube banners using PicsArt. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to either go into Safari or Chrome and you're going to search YouTube banner template. Once you find it, you're going to click it, you're going to hold it, and it'll say share, add photos, or copy. You're going to click add to photos. And then you're also going to search your background plate. What do you want your background to be? So then you're going to search your background. And you're going to do the same thing. Once you find your background, you're going to do the same thing you did with the template. You're going to click it and you're going to hold it. You're going to go out of there, and now we're going to go into our PicsArt app. You're going to go to the bottom with the purple plus sign. You're going to click that. You're going to scroll to the bottom. You're going to go where it says color backgrounds, and you're going to hit the very first one. You're going to scroll over and it says add photo. You're going to add photo. And the first thing we're going to add is our YouTube banner template. So you're going to click the template and then you're going to go up to the top and you're going to click add. We're now going to stretch our YouTube banner template to match up with the gray and black box, like such. Once you have that, we're going to go back down to the bottom where it says add photo, and now we're going to add our background that we chose. You're going to stretch it from side to side. And then we're going to bring it down a little bit just to match the inside of our box, like such. Now once you do that, we're going to get rid of our template. And then you're going to, now we're going to add whatever pictures you want to add, or you can add the text. So let's add our text. Whatever your text is for your YouTube channel, you're going to add that. Then you're going to click the check sign. And now we're going to pick the font that we want. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick whatever font we want in the color. So now we're going to change our color. If you want to add stroke mark, you can. Next, we're going to go to add photo again. And now we're going to pick our people and then we're going to crop them out just so they'll fit inside of our background. After you do that, you're going to go to the top to where it says add, and we're going to add all the photos on the screen. We're going to align the photos to move them out of the way so we're only working with one photo at a time. You're going to pick the photo that you want to start with, and now we're going to crop our photos. So now you're going to go to the bottom, you're going to click crop, and you're going to just size them up and crop them. You're going to click apply. Then you're going to scroll to the bottom where it says free crop. You're going to click free crop, and then you're going to click person. It's just going to highlight the person. Anything you don't want, you're going to click the eraser, and you're just going to erase what you don't want in your picture. Then you're going to click the arrow at the top, and then you're going to click save. And you're going to do that for all your pictures. So then we're going to crop it. We're going to apply. We're going to scroll to the bottom, and then we're going to click the person. And then we're just going to, whatever you want in your picture, you're going to just roll your finger over. And then you're going to click the checkbox, and then you're going to click save. And And we're going to do that for all the pictures. And you don't have to have that many pictures if you don't want. So you could just choose whatever you want as the picture. So I just chose to do a lot of pictures. So I have a lot of cropping to do. All right, so our next move that we're going to do is we're going to move the people a little bit so we can align them on our background. So we're going to make our background a little bit bigger so we can see what we're doing. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to just size up the people and make sure they fit on our background. And you can put them wherever you want to put them. Now we're just going to make sure that our people are sized and that they're looking right. All right, so now I'm going to go back in and I'm just going to place the people where I want them on my background. Oh, kind of deleted one. So now we're just gonna, I just gotta go back in and just re-add it and re-crop it since my finger's too big. All right, so now once you have the people aligned where you want them, and you can actually move the people in front of the text or behind the text. So I'm actually going to put this picture and I want it behind the text because I want to make it look, I want the text to be in front of me. Like such. So now you see how I'm behind the text and the text is in front of me. Now if you want to add extra stuff, like you can add stickers and more text and stuff like that to your banner, you definitely can. But if you want to stop it there, you can. It's all up to you. I'm going to add a little bit more text just to say what I do on my page. Now we can also add stickers, like you can add your Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, or whatever you have. You can add that. We can add those as stickers. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to stickers, and you're going to search what you want. So we're going to do the Facebook logo, and you can add whatever logos you want to add to it. I don't like that one, so we're gonna actually change that. We're gonna take that one out. We're gonna go to back to our sticker, and we're gonna find a different, yeah, let's do that one. Then we're gonna put it at the bottom. We're gonna make it small, or you could put it at the top, wherever you want to put it. So if you want to move it, you can move it. Let's actually move it right here in the corner. Spread it out a little bit more. And I actually like it right there. So that's actually cool. Alright, so when we're done, and you can make it smaller just so you can see where everything is. I think I'm actually going to make my picture in the middle just a little bit smaller. Then we're going to bring me down just a little bit. There we go. I'm actually missing one more picture of my son, so let's add one more picture of him. I like that picture, and I had already had it cropped out, so I'll just do that. You see how it looks like he's laying in the sand? I think that's kind of cool. Like I said, if you want to do that, if you want to be done now, so now you can click apply, and nothing moves now. So now your banner is all set to go if you want to be done. But other than that, one app and one app only. What did I tell you guys? Your banner is all done. So now you're going to click next, and then we're going to click save at the bottom, and then we're going to download the photo, and it's going to add it to our photos. So then when you go down to your photos, look what's right there. And then you could just go to your computer, and then you could just go ahead and edit your banner on the computer, and then you can add our photo to there. And from there, you guys are all done. You did a great job. If you kept up with the video, that is great. Come back again. My name is Tawana, and it's Tawana's World. Thank you guys. Mwah.